Terrafugia TFX. The Terrafugia TFX is an ambitious hybrid electric flying car designed to change the way we travel. It's set to revolutionize personal transportation, offering the freedom to both drive and fly. This futuristic vehicle can carry up to 4 passengers, making it perfect for families or small groups. It boasts an impressive cruise speed of 200 miles per hour and a range of 500 miles, allowing you to travel long distances quickly. One of its most innovative features is its VTOL capability, which stands for vertical takeoff and landing. This means the TFX can take off and land vertically, needing just a 100-foot space to do so. No runway required. The TFX is powered by a combination of 2 propellers and electric motors. These are backed by a gasoline combustion engine, giving it versatility for both flying and driving. Whether you're in the air or on the road, it can handle both with ease. Another great feature is its compact design. The TFX is built to fit into a standard garage, making it as practical as a regular car when you're not flying. And what's more, flying the TFX will require much less training than a conventional pilot's license. This makes it accessible to more people, opening up the skies for everyday travel. The Terrafugia TFX is a true game changer, blending the best of driving and flying into one innovative machine. Ebike White F1. The Ebike White F1 is raising the bar in electric biking with its powerful performance and sleek design. Equipped with a 2,400-watt motor, this bike can easily reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, offering an exciting ride every time you hit the road. Its 60-volt, 30Ah battery provides an impressive range of up to 70 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for both daily commutes and long-distance trips. The bike's lightweight aluminum frame is designed for strength and durability, while also ensuring easy handling. The advanced suspension system guarantees a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrains. A full-color digital display allows you to monitor key details like speed, battery life, and ride modes, giving you full control of your experience. Priced at around $4,000, the White F1 offers exceptional value for its high-end features. It delivers a remarkable blend of speed, range, and style, making it a top choice for electric bike enthusiasts. Flying tent. Modern tents are built for versatility, and the flying tent is a perfect example of that. It's not just a tent, it's a multifunctional outdoor shelter that offers different uses depending on your needs. Created by Campfire Outdoors GmbH, the flying tent can function as a hammock with insect protection, a regular tent, or even a rain poncho. You can set it up on the ground like a normal tent or suspended in the air between trees or even between vehicles. Weighing around 4 pounds, it's compact and easy to carry. You can use it as a one-person bivvy tent, a floating tent suspended between trees, or as a rain poncho when the weather turns bad. Its adaptable design appeals to campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts who value gear that can handle different situations. Setting up the flying tent is quick and easy, thanks to its pop-up design. It only takes about 7 seconds to assemble. It also comes with a removable mosquito net for bug protection and a rainfly to keep you dry during wet weather. After its launch, the flying tent gained widespread attention for its innovative design. A successful Kickstarter campaign in 2016 raised over $500,000, and the tent went on to win the ISPO Brand New Award in 2017. The tent's flexible design lets you suspend it between trees or place it on the ground, giving you options for different terrains. Pricing for the flying tent ranges from $400 to $550, depending on the model.
The Envo EATV is a game changer in the electric vehicle world, perfect for anyone who loves outdoor adventures or needs a tough, reliable machine for work. This 4-wheeled, innovative ride is designed to compete with traditional ATVs, but with a modern twist. It's fully electric. Powered by 2 strong hub motors that each deliver 1.5 kilowatts, the EATV can zip along at speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour. It's built to handle tough tasks too, capable of carrying up to 200 kilograms and towing as much as 350 kilograms. With a full battery, you can explore or get your work done over a range of 70 kilometers before needing to recharge. Whether you're hauling gear, tackling tough terrain, or just out for a fun ride, the Envo EATV has you covered. At $6,100, it's an investment in the future of outdoor work and play, combining the rugged reliability of an ATV with the clean, quiet power of electric technology.
Gilani Auto Tailgate. The Gilani Auto Tailgate is a vehicle upgrade designed to make life easier for wheelchair users and individuals with mobility challenges. In line with the UN Secretary-General's call for greater inclusion of people with disabilities, Galani Engineering has created a system that significantly improves travel convenience. This automatic system allows the tailgate or trunk of a vehicle to open and close electronically. It can be operated using the car's key fob, a button inside the vehicle, or a simple touch on the tailgate itself. Key technical features include remote control functionality and sensors that automatically stop the tailgate if an obstacle is detected. Additionally, the system has adjustable height settings, enabling users to set how high the tailgate opens, making it comfortable for different statures. The tailgate also uses a soft close mechanism for smooth, quiet operation. It's designed to be compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including SUVs, sedans, and hatchbacks. This means the system can be adapted to various car models. The Gilani Auto Tailgate is particularly beneficial for people with limited mobility. It's useful for older adults, individuals with shoulder injuries, or those with reduced upper body strength. By automating a task that is usually manual, it makes loading and unloading the vehicle much easier, especially for those who struggle with heavy tailgates. The height can be easily adjusted, offering more comfort and convenience for users with different needs. 79 Bike Falcon M. The 79 Bike Falcon M is an electric dirt bike that stands out for its power and affordability. Priced at $4,500, it offers features that are hard to beat in this price range. The Falcon M is equipped with a strong 8-kilowatt IP67 rated motor, which allows it to reach a top speed of 85 km per hour. And if you like quick acceleration, you'll love how fast this bike goes from 0 to 50 km per hour in just 2.8 seconds. For longer rides, the 72 volts 35 Ah battery provides an impressive range of up to 120 kilometers. That means you can enjoy extended off-road adventures without worrying about frequent charging. The aluminum alloy frame ensures durability while keeping the weight light. At only 130 pounds, the bike is easy to handle, making it great for those tricky terrains. When it comes to control, the front and rear hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. Paired with MNT adjustable shocks, you can expect a smooth and stable ride even on rough paths. The PWM-controlled LED ring adds a modern touch. It syncs with your acceleration, providing visual feedback as you ride. The lighting system is also app-controlled, giving you a personalized experience. With a seat height of 32.6 inches, the Falcon M is designed to offer comfort and agility. It's built to handle off-road action while keeping you in control. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or someone looking for an eco-friendly thrill ride, the 79 Bike Falcon M is ready to take you on an exciting journey. Highfield Zero Jet 330. The Highfield Zero Jet 330 is an advanced electric boat powered by ZeroJet's MKII jet drive system. Priced at $36,000, it combines Highfield's signature durability with cutting-edge electric propulsion from ZeroJet. At the heart of the ZeroJet 330 is an 18-kilowatt motor and 48-volt lithium-ion batteries. These provide impressive performance with zero emissions, making it a great choice for eco-conscious boaters. It also delivers a quieter ride, and with fewer parts to maintain, it's easier to care for over time. One of the standout features of the ZeroJet 330 is its jet drive system. Unlike traditional boats with exposed propellers, the jet drive adds a layer of safety, especially in shallow waters or when swimming nearby. The design maximizes deck space, thanks to the clever storage of batteries under the floor. This not only makes the boat more spacious but also keeps the weight balanced. Standard features include Hypalon tubes and a high-tensile aluminum hull, offering durability in all conditions. Its sleek and compact profile makes it easy to store and transport, whether you're on land or at sea. The ZeroJet 330 also charges quickly, and with its lightweight build, it represents a major leap forward in sustainable boating technology. It's a perfect blend of performance, safety, and eco-friendly innovation. Cagin Aurora 3C. The Cagin Aurora 3C is a compact yet powerful three-person submersible, designed for deep-sea exploration. It can dive to an impressive depth of 1,000 meters, making it perfect for vessels with limited storage space. Plus, it doesn't require extensive launch or recovery systems. Inside, the Aurora 3C offers a spacious cabin with a large entry hatch, providing easy access. Passengers can relax in the air-conditioned, leather-seated cabin, enjoying panoramic views of the underwater world. The submersible is powered by advanced pressure-balanced lithium-ion batteries, giving it 14 hours of autonomy and a top speed of over 3 knots. The user-friendly joystick controls 6 powerful thrusters, allowing for smooth and agile movement underwater. Safety is a top priority, with built-in features like positive buoyancy to ensure a secure and enjoyable experience. Whether you're exploring the deep sea for research or adventure, the Aurora 3C is built to deliver a reliable and thrilling underwater journey. Quest Kodiak 100. The Quest Kodiak 100 is an incredibly versatile aircraft, designed to handle challenging environments with ease. This 10-seat turboprop plane is perfect for short takeoff and landing operations, making it ideal for remote locations. Thanks to its shorter wingspan and rugged build, the Kodiak 100 can navigate narrow airstrips and rough terrain without breaking a sweat. One of its standout features is its adaptability. The aircraft easily switches between passenger and cargo modes, depending on your needs. It comes equipped with a large payload door and an optional cargo pod for additional storage, ensuring you have the space to carry both people and gear. Passenger comfort is also a priority in the Kodiak 100. Its fully adjustable seats and panoramic windows make flying an enjoyable experience, giving passengers great views and a smooth ride. But versatility doesn't stop there. The Kodiak 100 can be converted into a floatplane without needing any structural upgrades. This adds even more flexibility, making it suitable for water landings. Powered by the Pratt & Whitney PT6A34 engine, the Kodiak 100 delivers strong performance. It has a maximum range of 845 nautical miles, a takeoff distance of just 934 feet, and a climb rate of 1,340 feet per minute. These specs make it a perfect balance of performance and flexibility. Whether it's flying passengers, cargo, or landing on water, the Quest Kodiak 100 is ready for any challenge. Seabob. The Seabob is a high-performance underwater scooter that transforms your water adventures. Imagine effortlessly gliding through the ocean at speeds of up to 22 kilometers per hour, diving as deep as 40 meters. Powered by electricity, it uses a jet propulsion system to move you silently and smoothly through the water. With its sleek and ergonomic design, the Seabob is incredibly easy to control. Just lean your body in the direction you want to go. Whether you're cruising along coral reefs, speeding through open water, or diving deep to explore marine life, the Seabob is built for the experience. The battery gives you up to 120 minutes of continuous fun, so you won't have to worry about running out of power. It's not only great for casual water activities, but also perfect for snorkeling, freediving, and scuba diving. You can even adjust its weights for perfect buoyancy, and the one-hand operation allows you to keep your other hand free for diving gear. The Seabob offers a luxurious and thrilling way to explore the underwater world like never before. Sunseeker Classic. The 2024 Forest River Sunseeker Classic 301 ODS is a Class C motorhome built for comfort and performance. Priced around $195,000, this motorhome is constructed on a Ford E450 chassis, powered by a 7.3 LV8 Triton engine that produces 325 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Measuring 32 feet 3 inches in length, 8 feet 5 inches in width, and standing at 11 feet 3 inches high, the Sunseeker Classic is designed for spacious and comfortable travel. It has a gross vehicle weight rating of 14,500 pounds, with a combined weight rating of 22,000 pounds. For long trips, it holds a 55-gallon fuel tank, a 44-gallon freshwater tank, and 39-gallon tanks for both gray and black water. Inside, the motorhome features 2 slide-outs to expand the living space. It accommodates up to 8 people, with a 60 inches by 80 inches bunk over the cab, a rear queen-size bed, a convertible U-shaped dinette, and an option for theater seating or a sofa. The kitchen is well equipped with a 3-burner cooktop, a convection microwave, a 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, and a flip-up counter extension for extra space. The bathroom includes a separate 24 inches by 36 inches shower for added convenience. For entertainment and tech, the Sunseeker Classic offers an LED TV, a Winegard Air 360 Plus digital antenna for internet and TV, and 4G Wi-Fi capability. Climate control is handled by a 15,000 BTU ceiling ducted air conditioner and a 30,000 BTU furnace for all weather comfort. On the exterior, there's a 15-foot 6-inch electric awning and an outdoor shower for convenience, plus 101.7 cubic feet of basement storage. It's equipped with a 4.5 kilowatts gas generator and is solar-ready, making it ideal for extended stays off the grid. This motorhome is currently listed for around $195,000, though prices can vary based on dealer promotions and optional features.